Today, what we're actually going to be looking at is all of the features inside of SAM that are going to help us run our business. So that is going to be our calendar, our outbox, our call lists, and then our templates. And then what we're going to do is we're going to work to have strong understanding of usability inside of SAM. So very first, let's go ahead and let's look at our calendar section inside of SAM. So we click into this and we are going to have the ability to look at what is today. We can look at day, week, month. We can look at our schedule, or we can have a timeline for our events. So this is a really easy way for us to toggle between that. I can also select different team members if I have multiple members on my team. But if you're in a trial, that's okay. You just have access to your calendar for now, and that's totally fine. You can look at all of the different team members and start to get a good idea. Now, because we had our Google Sync set up, here's what we're going to do. So I'm going to click and I'm going to send a test message. And I'm going to hit save. So now I have a test message from 7 to 8. And I'm going to go ahead and migrate over to my Google Calendar. And then you guys are going to actually get a little bit of behind the scenes. And you can notice that there it is. There's that test message that I built into SAM. And it was just pulled right over. So let's go ahead and let's do this. So now that we're in Google, I can slide this all the way up. And maybe that meeting was actually earlier today. And so I can go ahead and hop back in, and you're going to see that it is updated. So that's really cool. This is, like I said, part of that two-way Google Sync. So this is why it's so important that we actually go into our setup and make sure that we have that link. But that's going to be a really cool way for you to manage all of your different calendar pieces.